Hello everyone and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. In today's lesson we will cover the 5 vowels of the English alphabet. Here's what they are: A, E, I, O, U. Please repeat it again with me. A, E, I, O, U. Good. Now here are some word examples beginning with the letters of the vowels. We'll begin with A. Ant, arm, apple. E, ear, earth, eagle. I, iron, ice, ink. O, one, owl, orange. U, uncle, unicorn, umbrella. Excellent. Thank you for watching. Please click on the link below for your exercises. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.